What are these components of the financial statements? If you take an organization, for the stakeholders of the organization or the interested parties of the organization, as the business should provide their information for these people to take decisions. So in order to provide the information for the people who are interested about the organization normally they will prepare something called financial statements. So if you take these financial statements, normally in organization, inside these financial statements, there are 5 components included. If not in other words, I can say there are 5 types of statements that we are giving to the interested parties of the organization to take decisions. So what are the financial statements that normally we are providing? First one is, we will call it as statement of profit or loss. In other words, we will call it as income statement. So if someone needs business profit information, income information, expense information, so this information will be provided through the statement of profit or loss. And next statement that we are giving, statement of financial position. If not, we will call it as balance sheet. Because if you take a business, there will be assets, there will be liabilities, there will be equity. So if someone wants to get some information about how much asset this business has, how much liability this business has, how much equity this business has, in order to get that information, we will be preparing a statement called statement of financial position. And another statement that we are preparing, it is statement of cash. Certain people wants to know what's the cash inflow of the business, what's the cash outflow of the business. They want to know, okay, how much cash is coming into the business, how much cash is going out from the business. So in order to get that information, we will be preparing a statement called statement of cash flow. And next statement that we are preparing, the statement of changes in equity. So if you take a business, the equity portion will get changed due to several reasons. Sometimes if business generate profits, the equity portion will get changed. If business pays dividend, the equity portion will get changed. So what are the reasons to this equity to get changed will be there in the statement of changes in equity. And final one is notes to the financial statements. When accountants are preparing the financial statements, normally they will make assumptions. They will use different techniques. Let's take an example. Certain companies will use straight line method to depreciate. Certain companies will use reducing balance method to depreciate. So what's the method that we have used to depreciate the asset? So how are we going to give that information for the users of the accounts? What are the assumptions that we made when we are preparing the accounts? So all these details will be included in the notes to the financial statement. So as I said you, in financial statements, there are 5 components. What are the 5 components? Statement of profit or loss, statement of financial position, statement of cash flows, statement of changes in equity, and notes to the financial statements. So for the people who are interested about the organization, when we are providing information, we will provide these 5 set of statements. So they can go through these 5 set of statements and they can take the decision. So I hope you liked my video. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel to watch more videos. Then let's meet again with my next video.